Hey everyone, thank you for joining in. For this video, I am going to show you how to add a word that cuts out a design. So again, I'm just in the Love SVG. No, this video is not sponsored. This is just a simple way to show you. Like I said, it's how I still get a lot of my designs for my personal projects. So we're going to choose an object. So this ghost right here. We are going to download. Go into our Cricut design space. If it'll let me bring it up. My computer is very slow. Okay, let's just get out of here and start again. So, upload image. Browse into your downloads. Spooky all year. We want the SVG. There it is. Save. We're gonna grab that out. Perfect. So I don't really care about the rest of this right now. I mean, you could leave it, but I'm just going to ungroup. Ungroup again. Take away that ghost. So, what actually we could do, I'm just gonna do my own word. So, we're gonna write boo. Boo. Get a normal script, get rid of this one. Boo. I think this one just came with, it's just, it's a lot of words. But this one just came with the Cricut. I didn't download this or anything. You can make it a little bit closer, however you like. And you're going to drag it over your image until you like it. You can use this, make it go around. Make my screen a little bigger so you can see it. So now what we're going to do, highlight everything. And this little tool over here, slice. If it doesn't pop up, it means you have more than one extra object in your project. It happens to me all the time. Just make sure you just have 1, 2. So if you had this over here, it's not gonna pop up. See? I don't know why, it is what it is. So we have our 2 objects here. We're gonna slice them. And boo, we're gonna get rid of boo. Bring it with the next layer. And we have our object. Now we have boo hanging out there. So if we go to make it, it's just one cut. That's extremely fun. I do a lot of designs with that. Since this was a short video, I'm actually going to show you something else that's really neat. It's a newer feature in Design Space. I'm gonna say baddie, sure, okay. So we just want to kind of put that around the word the bat. There's actually up here we have curve, so you can curve your letters, so that's neat. So we can kind of put it around, and obviously we can move it around, or we can always go to ungroup and put it a little bit closer, but we still have those curved letters. So that's another fun tool, is the curve. And attach. Again, we're not gonna weld. Once you attach something, it all becomes the same color, by the way. So before, if you notice that, baddie was in black. But once you attach it, it's gonna become one cut. So if you want it to be 2 different, that's fine. Different colors, you just attach your word. So you're just going to have 2 cuts, and you'll just have to place it together when you do your, so here's your bat, and here's baddie. So say that's in black and the bat's in gray, then you just have to position it how you like when you do your cut. Okay, so that is slicing. Again, going through 2 objects, see, now it's not going to work. Let's see why. Let's figure this out together. I'm going to guess because this is attached. But this is so many words, it's not going to work. I will prove that to you. So if we have just the Y, it should work. See? So you just have one object with the boo, or the ghost, and slice. And remove, and actually add extra this time. So now you have your new object. So that's slice and letter curving. So have fun with that. Play around. Like I said, just find an object and put whatever you want in it, and it's actually a lot of fun. You can do a lot with that, and enjoy. So thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you. Have a great day.